Tapos yung videographer ko yan, si Natasha. Hi Natasha, say hi naman with the camera. Okay. Okay na? Ako na? Meron Gary, pakibilis. Tina. May pupuntahan pa tayo. Tina, yung tubig ko. Gary, paki-andar na yung truck, please.
Sino ba yung driver mo dyan, madam?
Ayun si Gary, yung naka-jacket ng beige.
Oh, sino naman po yung kasama niya?
Si Tina naman na naka-denim. Ewan ko kung bakit, I don't know, she called it fashion in some type of way. Pero yan si Tina, siya yung assistant ko. Yeah.
Okay. So, saan po yung meeting nyo next time?
Babahin ko.
Just other vaccination but see, we're out today.